morning, it's Sunday, and it's officially fall season. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to make for my first fall bake, I kept getting flashes of it's pumpkin spice latte season. So naturally, I want to take that and turn it into an ice cream. Only let's make it a bit more coffee forward and have pumpkin take a back seat. This is Fall in a Scoop, dense velvety pumpkin ice cream with the deep pool of cold brew coffee, a hit of warm spice and chocolate shards that crackle. Every bite swings from creamy to crisp, sweet to bitter, cozy to refreshing, and the vanilla sweet cream soft whip melts into it all, turning each spoonful into a full coffee shop moment. Only better because it's in your freezer. This is pumpkin cold brew ice cream. All right, let's start with our ice cream base so we give it plenty of time to chill. Grab a saucepan and pour in the milk, cream, sugar, corn syrup, milk powder, and salt. Then whisk everything together. Set it on the stove and let it heat up. Once it's nice and hot, take a few spoonfuls of the hot liquid and whisk it into the cornstarch to make a smooth slurry. Pour that back into the pot and cook until it reaches a soft simmer and starts to thicken. Now you can add the pumpkin, cinnamon, and ginger, and whisk everything till it's nice and blended. Set up an ice bath with a bowl and a strainer, then pour the base through the strainer to catch any bits and to chill it down fast. Once it's cool, remove the bowl from the bath and start to stream in the cold brew while mixing. Add in your vanilla and stir to combine. Then hit it with an immersion blender for a few seconds to emulsify. Cover with a lid and let it rest in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight if you can wait. Now let's make our own chocolate shards, because they're just better when you make them yourself. Set up a double boiler with simmering water and place the second pot on top. Add in all your chocolate and a little coconut oil. Then stir gently until it's fully melted and completely glossy. Pour the chocolate onto a cold metal baking sheet and then spread it into a nice, thin, even layer. Slide the baking sheet into the freezer to completely set. Now for the vanilla sweet cream soft whip. Because cold brew doesn't steal the show on its own, it needs its sweet cream cold foam. Grab a cold bowl and pour in the cream. Then add the powdered sugar, milk powder, your vanilla, and just a pinch of salt. Whisk it together until just soft peaks form. We're not going for full whipped cream here. Then set it aside until you're ready to top the ice cream. All right, let's churn this base and whip out a masterpiece. Once your base is fully chilled, open it up and give it a quick stir. Then pour it straight into the ice cream maker. Assemble your machine and let it churn until it's thick and creamy. Once it's done, transfer the ice cream into a cold container, smoothing it out as you go. Once it's packed, press on the lid and move it to the freezer to set. Once it's fully set, open the tub and take that first scoop. Dense, creamy, and full of pumpkin spice coffee flavor. Fill your glass with cold scoops and then crown it with a swirl of vanilla sweet cream. Sprinkle over the crisp chocolate shards, and there it is, the full coffee shop moment in dessert form. Now this is the latte energy I wanted. Silky pumpkin spice base, cool coffee finish, sweet cream cold foam on top, and finish it with chocolate shards? It doesn't get more welcome to fall than this. Serve it exactly like this. Or don't. Any way you shape it, it's delicious. Next week, we're sticking with the pumpkin theme and giving a blondie a twist it needed. Now, if this made you salivate, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and send this to your pumpkin-loving friends. I'll see you next Sunday.